So, you want to know more about the product?
Well, yes, that's why I booked the product demo. So,
Unfortunately, no one can be told what the product is. They have to see it for themselves.
okay.
This is your last chance. After this, there's no turning back. You take the blue pill and the Zoom call ends. You self-guide the product demo at a time that's convenient for you with Storylane. You take the red pill and you stay in sales wonderland. I'll run you through a 78-page sales deck and show you just how far the rabbit hole goes.
I'll take the blue pill.
Why does everyone always do that? They never want to take the red. It's
You
always
shouldn't give them a choice, really, should you? Because
had a whole thing planned.
no one would choose to sit through an hour.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth. Nothing more.
Well, the truth is, prospects don't want to be asked a load of questions, and we're all busy.
Can I just do a dramatic end to the video? I'm just trying to,
The Matrix, yeah.
like the film.
I know, I got that, yeah.